Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox game client is not responding issue. Now it's a very easy process, so all you have to do is just simply right click on your Roblox, then click on properties. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply click on run option, choose minimized over here, click on apply. Now after that go to compatibility. Now firstly enable this option which is run as compatibility mode, then choose the lowest version of Windows over here which is 7. Now after that just simply choose run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimization, and after that click on apply, then hit OK. Now after that again right click properties, again go back to compatibility and now choose run compatibility troubleshoot. Now give it a few seconds. Now after that click on try recommended settings, then click on test the program. Now just simply click on next, again next, again next. Now after that just simply click on test the program. Now it is going to take some time, so wait for it. Click on OK, then click on next. Now just simply choose yes, save the settings, and after this your issue should be fixed. So now you can easily run your program. All you have to do is just simply double click on it and the program should run just fine. So as you can see right over here, the program is running. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.